Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, January 28th, 2023. And what you're seeing here is before shots of a bathroom that someone and I, her name is Alex, attacked her bathroom because Alex had mentioned that she was interested in organizing, learning how to organize and working doing this. So I was like, I was just thinking about growing my business, and in order for me to do that, I do need to bring someone in and they'll help me, just assist me with things. So her bathroom is stunning. The whole house was gutted by her husband, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, like it reminds me of a chalet in Banff. There's one other client I have. Her home also reminds me of this, so I love it. It just reminds me of being out west. So anyhow, I could not wait to do this. I asked her to pick up some containers, which she did. And so I didn't take anything with me. I just showed up. So when we got to work, we soon realized that the containers were a bit small. So when you see the after shots of everything in the closet, in the cupboard, they'll actually get condensed a lot more because we'll have the proper containers the next time we give it a little go. So anyway, what you're seeing here, the before and the after, they were about 3 hours apart. So it was really fast. Like the longest thing was actually taking everything out of the cupboard and then putting everything in categories. And it was like a first aid kit. It was hair things. It was body. Trying to think of the categories. Anyway, everybody knows what belongs in a bathroom. And then the tub. In my washroom, I take a little container into the shower with me, and it has all my lovely little things. And then I just put them right back in the little container. It's like almost like an overnight bag, sort of. And I put them underneath my sink. So like even the bag's pretty, and the things that I buy to put in the shower are pretty, but I don't want to see it. I want my bathroom to look clean. Like even when it, like right now it's dirty, I should clean it, but it always looks clean, gives the illusion that your bathroom is clean even when it's not. Little tip. So anyway, it was a blast. Alex and I will be doing homes in the Stratford and surrounding areas, and we can't wait. It's very exciting for us. Normally I charge $25 an hour, but I have been thinking about increasing my rates, but the new rate will be $30 an hour. Now my previous, like my clients that I have now, everybody's locked in. Wherever you come in, that price is locked. So when I increase down the road, you're safe. So if you come in now, you'll be coming in at 30. And if you would like to have your home organized, which also includes obviously cleaning it first, you can't organize something that isn't cleaned, we'll be charging 40. So basically you're getting the organization for $10 extra, which is win-win for everyone. And we're fast. Obviously, if you can see this before and after, if this took us 3 hours or less, because it's not for a client, we were just kind of goofing around and having fun with it and absolutely loved it. And now Alex is like, I know we're going to do more things in my home, but can I just keep going? Like, it's contagious. Once you start, you keep going. And like, that's basically what you see with me in my videos. Like, I love to take things apart again and give them a little workout, rearrange them a little bit. It's just fun. And I think it's good for the soul. Anyway, that's enough chatting. If you're interested, please reach out, I guess, on YouTube, Facebook, whatever it is. Email me. It's on my Facebook. Anyway, I love you all. Thank you for watching. And thank you to Alex for being very brave and saying, hey, come and rip my house apart. She's a mom and she and her husband are very busy. 2 beautiful kids. And yeah, this is what happens. This is real life. So real life right here, people. So anyway, have a wonderful weekend and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.